Hi guys, it's Amy with A to Z Stamping, and today I'm doing a quick little scrapbook layout for you. I wanted to do a layout using these. I have two photos from, this is my son Caden, when he's about 9 months old, I guess, and this was the first time he had pulled himself up to standing. So I had a couple pictures, and there was some paper that I thought would go perfect for this, so I'll show you the layout I came up with. So I'm starting with a piece of crushed curry 12 by 12 cardstock, and you get this in the Regal 12 by 12 paper pack. And then this is the paper I'm talking about. I grabbed a piece of designer series paper. This is from the See a Silhouette suite. This paper is so like bright and full of great colors. They're good for boy layouts and things like that. But I loved this with the kind of honeycomb. It's 12 by 12 paper, and I just cut a 1/2 inch off each side. So the paper's measuring 11.5 by 11.5. And I'm just going to glue that down. Isn't this side so cool with like the tie-dye? I have some pictures from college that actually would go really good with this tie-dye. But anyway, so I'm going to stick this right on here. So I should have a nice border all the way around. Okay. Then I grabbed another 12 by 12 piece of crushed curry, and I cut it at 4 by 12. And I'm going to stick this right down here. It needed something to sort of break it up. Otherwise, it was a little bit busy. Okay, so we're going to line this up right here. All right. So for my two photos, I wanted to, so this is a standard 4 by 6 photo. I wanted to mount them onto old olive cardstock. So since this is 4 by 6, this piece of old olive is cut at 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. Okay, come on. The adhesive doesn't like to stick to the photographs. That's okay. We will make it work. So this is going to go right on here. And then this was a standard 4 by 6 photo, but I cut it down to 3.5 by 4. So this is cut at 3 3/4 by 4 1/4. Come on, adhesive. And this is going to go on here. Okay. And we're going to stick our adhesive right on the back. Okay, and let's see. We're going to stick this one right here. I missed that baby. My baby now is 13. Still adorable, but I do miss the baby. Okay, so this one's going to go right here. That looks good. And I just did some quick journaling on a piece of old olive cardstock. This is, I don't even think this is, it's 2 3/4 by about 3 1/4. And I just used my basic black pen to write the date. And I'm going to stick that right here. Okay. All right, then I'm grabbing the crushed curry crinkle ribbon, crinkle seam binding ribbon. And I'm going to do this around the top. So I'm going to cut the piece off a little bit wider because I want to, let's see, I'm going to flip it over. And since it's a scrapbook page, I don't want to glue it down. I'm just going to grab some Scotch tape. And I'm just going to glue it or tape it since it'll go in my book. So I don't want anything sticky on the back. So we're just going to tape that right on there. Okay, and let's make sure that's straight. Okay, and I think I want to grab a piece and tie a knot. Let's see, let's tie a knot here. Yep, and I'm just going to let my knot dangle down. I'm not sure how long I want that yet, so I'm just going to cut this off, and I'll fix that in a second. Okay, and actually, let's see here. I think I'm going to grab a mini, actually, I'm just going to grab some adhesive, snail, and I'm going to flip this over because I don't want it moving around a lot. And I'm just going to stick a little bit on the back of that. Then if I stick it down, it won't move around. There we go. Okay. Then I grabbed the well-written dies. These are so cool. So it's hard for you to see here, but there's a whole bunch of words. And I grabbed the word baby and happy and hooray. So I grabbed these three, and our dies work with any die cutting machines you have. I have a Big Shot, and I ran those dies through using old olive cardstock. And let me pull them up for you here. So here's what they look like. So cute. See, there's the happy, hooray, baby. I took some crushed curry cardstock and I just cut it down. It's 1 inch. They're all 1 inch wide, or I guess long, and then I just cut them down to fit the words. So I'm going to grab my multi-purpose glue, and I'm going to grab my silicone mat here, and we're going to glue these on, these little words on. But we have 2 different sets that are just all words, and then there's other sets too that are words. So much fun. It's like a whole different level of, or to add to your cards and scrapbook pages and stuff like that. So it's a lot of fun. Okay, so we've got baby. So that my Y is a little bit longer, and I'm okay with that. Okay. I'm actually gonna set it under my mat to press it down. And I've got the happy. Just want to put a few dots of glue just to get it to stick. Actually gonna pick it up here with my take a pick tool. It's a lot easier. Okay, happy. Press, press, press. And I'm gonna stick this under my mat. Okay, and then we got the hooray. Hooray! So cute. He just looks so happy in those pictures. He was such a happy baby. Seriously, he was the step for a baby. He was so easy. Okay. He got harder when he turned into a toddler. Okay, and we're gonna go here. Hooray! All right, put my lid back on my glue. Okay, and these will dry and then they'll stay on there. All right, so I'm gonna pull this back in and decide where I want these. So I want a hooray, and I want a happy, and I want a baby. Hooray, happy baby. Let's see, is this how we want to do it? Hooray, happy baby. Okay, with the ribbon hanging down. Actually, I think it's pretty cute. So I'm just gonna put adhesive on the back of these. So we've got our hooray, and my happy is totally crooked. So let's go ahead and straighten that out. And our happy, and our baby. My puppy is enough of a baby for me now. I get that baby fix. He's definitely a baby. Okay, and that is my layout. So simple, right? Cute. Hooray, happy baby. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this. See how simple it is to come up with a quick layout using the well-written dies and this silhouette paper. So cool. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys.